everyone, welcome back to my channel That Look You Love. I'm Dhriti. I am uploading after so long. I know I have shifted to Canada, like y'all must have seen in my last video, and yeah, just the whole shifting procedure was on. I have been revamping the room and the video is going to be up soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't, and also hit that bell button in case you haven't and you don't want to miss the video. But I have also been working on another thing, and that is my skin. My skin was really messed up when I came over here. Y'all must have seen it on my Instagram and stuff because yeah, maybe the change of weather and all, and I was breaking out a lot. There has been a reduction in my tan as well. My skin is back to normal. It's back to being awesome. And I'm going to share my new skincare routine because this is something that I have been doing for the past 15 days. Trying it, testing it. So let's get into my current skincare routine. There are 3 things in particular that I have been using, especially every single night. If I can't do it every single morning, you're supposed to do it day and night. But if I can't do it every morning, I definitely make it a point to do this skincare routine at night for the past 15 days. Played a huge role in improving my skin's health. So here are the 3 products, and the brand is Bifect. So this is how the packaging looks. Their slogan is basic yet effective, and they have a whole skincare routine range. I chose these 3 products actually depending on my skin type. It's summer over here. A lot of people have this misconception that Canada is super cold, and it is just cold. It is 33 degrees over here right now, and summers are really harsh over here as well. The only difference is that it's windy, it's not as humid. So yeah, but you do sweat and your skin does get oily. The weather over here in Canada is really extreme, is what you can say. So winters are extremely cold, and you know, summers are extremely hot. And the weather is really unpredictable. So yeah, it's not that different. And India also has really hot summers, and now the hottest month is coming up. So I chose these products. So the first product that I chose because my skin gets oily is a mattifying formula. This is the Bifect mattifying formula, and it comes in a dropper. All these 3, you know, the packaging has a dropper in it. On a really hot day, I have been loving using this, just this as my day routine, you can say. Press it and you get some product over here. So this is what I do first. Take some and just drop it on my skin. Whoa, okay, nope, don't let it go into your eye. And yeah, you just want to massage it all over your skin, especially in your T-zone. I mean, my T-zone gets really oily, so instantly it's like your skin just mattifies. That's the formula, and it reduces the oil formation on your face through the day, basically. So that's the main job of it. There you go. So that's the first step that I do. Now the next thing in my skincare routine is a long-lasting brightener with non-irritant vitamin C derivative. Vitamin C is known to reduce tan and brighten your skin tone, basically. So if your skin is looking dull and you know, you want to get your brightness back, basically, vitamin C is what you go to. So if you must have seen a lot of DIYs have lemon and honey mixture, because lemon has a lot of vitamin C, right? So yeah, this is exactly what that is. What I do, and I do this at night mostly, because if you guys don't know already, at night when you sleep and rest, your skin also repairs itself. So anything that you put on your face at night, that's what your skin is going to absorb the most. And in the morning, you're going to wake up with fresh, glowing skin, because new skin cells are generated the most at night. So yeah, I'm just going to shake this up a little. And what I do is I put this on top of the serum that I have already used. And this one is a slightly thicker serum, so it's white in color. And I'm gonna, yeah, just do the same thing, basically like a dropper. I find these droppers really fun to use. So yeah, and you want to nicely massage it into your skin. But this has really helped even out my skin tone. You also want to put it on your neck, because why would you want your skin tone to be different here and here, you know? The third product is an eye serum. This is called Brio, and it is an intensive peptide eye serum for skin energy revitalization. The eye area has the thinnest skin. And so the best thing to do for your under eyes, whether you have dark circles, you are in your late 20s, moisturizing your eye area is going to save you so many of those wrinkles later. And this also helps with dark circles. So you just want to take like the tiniest amount, put it under your eye. Oh yeah, that's it. And actually with your ring finger, just massage your under eye. So what I like to do is I like to go like clockwise and then you go anti-clockwise. There you go. One thing I really love about these serums is that they dry on your face really fast. Basically they get soaked in really fast. So you know, I don't like greasy skin or a lot of products on my skin personally, and I like that they just get soaked in really fast, you know. So yeah, that's about it. These are the 3 things that I have been doing, and it has really worked for my skin to repair it. My skin was really bad 15 to 20 days ago, and all my skincare, my makeup, everything is back in India. So yeah, these are the only things that I have been using on my skin, and they have really worked well for my skin. We're in 2018 and a lot of the skincare products that you see are going back to the olden eras, you know what I mean, with all the natural ingredients and everything that we used to do back in the days, our grandmothers used to do. So you know, that's, you can say, what's trending right now. And of course I am all for nature, but there is a part of me that also agrees with, we have progressed so much scientifically, so why leave that behind? So that was my main intention for using these. So yeah, the products that I just used are leaning more towards the scientific discoveries of, you know, skincare, and that's something that I wanted to try that's new. So the effective part, I leave it on the ingredients and the way they work on my skin, and the basic part is that they have written what each product is for, and they really simplify it. This is what the product is, it mattifies your skin or it hydrates your under eye or whatever. So it's very basic. Another thing that I like is that they're very specified. If you go to their website, the link is in the description bar. You'll notice that for each skin type, they have something different. So if your skin is dry, they also have hydrating serums and all of that. It's like you can customize your skincare routine. I wanted to reduce my tan, get rid of the oiliness, and also get rid of the dark circles. And that's why I chose these 3 products. So that's about it, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. I love you guys. Thank you for being so patient. I'm doing my studies as well as moving into a new country. I'm doing a couple of things now. I've started a job besides YouTube, of course. Once I upload my makeover room video, that's when you know I'm settled in. Yeah, and from there on, I'm going to be uploading regularly with my makeup videos and everything. I missed it so much. I've missed you guys so much. Wait for my next video, and follow me on my social media to stay tuned with my daily adventures, and yeah, just to get updates. I'll see you all super soon. Bye.